Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has the horizon gray hull sides. For power, we've upgraded the engines to the twin V10 400 horsepower Mercuries done in white. This boat has the joystick docking, and part of that joystick docking, you see you get the skyhook feature, which allows the boat to hold a position within a radius while you leave the helm. You have a nice big sun pad here at the transom with backrest that'll set up or fold down. Overhead, you have an electrically actuated sunshade that'll extend out. Nice big hard top with an opening canvas section. This is manual, so easy to close. On the starboard side, you have a grill and a refrigerator, as well as a freshwater sink, so you have a nice entertainment center. Port side, you get nice wraparound seating. Your companion seat swivels, so there's a nice double wide companion seat, and this will rotate for a forward facing seat, or as it was just set up, great for when you're entertaining. Nice wide captain's chair, dual SIMRAD screens, and these are digital dash, so everything vessel wise is controlled through these SIMRAD screens. As I'd mentioned earlier, it is a joystick piloting boat, and it gives you the skyhook feature as well as autopilot integrated. Digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, upgraded fusion stereo system. In front of your companion seat is your head. This is a vacuum flush head. You also have a freshwater sink down in the cabin, or inside the head compartment, excuse me. Stainless steel windshield cap to give it a nice clean look. Isinglass enclosure package. This boat does have the RGBW lighting package. I've got the red overhead and blue down below, so I kind of mix that up a little bit. Making your way up to the bow, you have a bow block-off door, as well as a closable windshield frame. Two full-length loungers up in the bow of the boat with flip-down armrests. This boat does have the SeaDek matting throughout the entire cockpit and swim platform, and that's in gray to match the stone interior, which is your light gray with darker gray trim. In the bow of the boat, you've got your windlass anchor and a freshwater sprayer, and you have another freshwater sprayer at the transom. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.